Hi, Neil Lyng here from Lyng Motors. I'd like to congratulate you on the purchase of your beautiful new Hyundai i10. I'm just going to give you a quick run through some of the controls to make your driving as safe as possible. Start on the driver's door here. So here we have our driver's electric windows, drivers and passengers. We come across here. We have a wee switch for adjusting up and down your dip lights. 0 is the highest point, 3 is the lower point if you have weight in the back of the car. Here we have our tyre pressure sensor light reset button. If your tyre pressure gets low and you pump it, this will reset your pressure sensors. Your traction control, just in the event of different driving conditions, this disables your traction control. Here we have our lane departure warning, useful on motorways. Up here we have our wipers. So up for intermittent, 1 touch next up is for slow and 3 for fast. Back down is off. Quick touch down and give it a wipe, and washers pull it back. Your rear wipers work at the end of the stalk. Over here you have your automatic lights. Switch to auto and your lights will come on when it deems necessary. You can use them manually, parking lights, driving lights, forward for high beam, back for low beam. If you're on automatic, the lights will go off when it is bright enough, or to switch them off, go back to the O button. On your steering wheel here, we have our phone answering button, our phone hang up, your volume for your radio up and down, and this brings you to different radio stations. This is a mute button for your radio also, and here brings in different modes, so we can have our MP3 players or our auxiliary input musics. Over here we have our information system for the cluster. Gives us our driver information, fuel consumption, distance, and other useful information bits. Here we have our cruise control buttons. Mode switches it on, and reset and set while driving allows you to use the cruise control. Back over to your radio. We have our radio stations 1 to 4, all preset. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Volume works here, and the tune the radio manually, we just go in here for the auto tune. If we want to pick a station or look for a station, touch the button till it picks up the required frequency, and to memorize that, keep our finger on the number. So that is now memorized to number 4. Audio allows us to use our MP3 and FM and FM and AM settings and USB inputs. Down here we have our heater controls, the direction of our heat and the blower. Here we have the temperature, hot and cold, and back to our gear stick. In the center of the console here we have our automatic stop and start for traffic situation. When you stop at traffic in a neutral position, the car, if the correct conditions are applicable, the car will switch off, and when you put the car, re-engage the car back in gear, the engine will switch back on. If you don't like to use that feature, simply switch in this and it won't work. Up overhead, just one more feature we have is the SOS button. So in the event that we have emergency, you literally flick down the switch, press the red button, and emergency services will be contacted to assist you. I'd like to thank you for watching, and best of luck with your new car. Thanks for choosing Lyng Motors. Bye bye.